Okay guys, welcome in the class. Today we're going to take a look at the climates and the differences between weather and climate. First of all, I want to take a look at what is weather, because weather is something which is changing all the time. Today it's cloudy or it could be sunny. In 5 minutes later it could be different. So it's precipitation and temperature on a certain place on a certain time. Climate instead is for a longer period. An average weather over a long period. We're taking a look at the temperature, the wind, and of course the precipitation. Let's take a look at the different kinds of climates. It's about Köppen. Köppen was a German guy who was quite bored about traveling around the world without knowing what kind of climates he was traveling through. So he made a nice colored colorographed map. We're going to take a look at the difference between those climates. First, we're going to take a look at our climate, which is a temperate climate. The sea, remember the sea, is temperate, which means in Dutch we would say gematigd, indeed. CF in Holland, dry seasons will not exist, so we do have an F for no dry season. CF, thank you. CS stands for a dry summer and CW for a dry winter. Next, D stands for cold. We have been looking at certain places in the northern part of Canada, for example, or in the northern part of Russia. Well, they have a D climate, but there are some small differences because they will have sometimes a dry summer, certain places. Certain places will have a dry winter. Certain places will not have a dry season at all. So DS will be for a dry summer, DW again for dry winter, and DF no dry season. D again stands for cold. Then we will go to E. E stands for polar climates, and we got two climates which are part of the polar climates. The ET, do not phone home this time, ET, tundra, and the EF. The F stands for frost, permafrost, which is frozen soil. So two climates in the most northern part of, for example, we can call the most northern part of Siberia, for example, which occurs in the ET climate. Certain regions will have ET or EF for frost. Then we started this chapter with the tropical climates, which are the A climates. But within the A climate, you have some small differences. Let's start with the EF. It stands for rainforest, the tropical rainforest, like the Amazon region is an EF climate. We got a monsoon climate. Monsoon means that there is a rainy season. And the EW stands for the savanna, the grassy part of Africa, for example. Last one is the B, arid. Arid stands for dry. EW for the deserts. The ES for the steppes, which are grassy. And the EK for cold regions, which could be a desert as well, but more stony kind of desert, right? So far we get different climates, which you can take a look at on the slides. Remember the Köppen, and you just have to learn the first two letters, the capital letters, A, B, C, D, E, and then the second letters for the dry summer or the dry winter or no dry season at all. That's it for today. Tschüss.